What's going on, guys? So I know you're probably expecting MacBook videos since they just came out, and trust me, they're coming. However, this showed up at my door faster than I expected, and we gotta thank our sponsor for that. Nobody. All right, so this is the OnePlus Open, and I love unboxing OnePlus devices because they just put so much care and thought into the unboxing experience. If you aren't aware, it is a foldable phone, so this is the Fold 5. So we got to give credit where credit is due, and this product was made in China, so shout out to China for holding it down once again. Let me go get my unboxing knife. Just like that. Looked like I didn't even need to, but this is the OnePlus Open. Am I stupid? Am I forgetting something? Wait, how does it open? Oh, it's a literal box, idiot. All right, so I just lift it up. Oh, okay. This is the presentation I'm asking for. Look at that. Look at that. That's how you do an unboxing experience. Apple, take notes. Look at that once again. Whoo! One more time. Whoo! And look at this. Look at the very top of the box. Never settle. I mean, all right, this is the last time I'm doing it, but seriously, when it comes to unboxing experience, OnePlus, they don't disappoint. So here is the foldable device here. It's presented to you just like so. Got a fat camera circle on the back. Gonna leave that there. And then I'm gonna see what else is in the box. We got our warp charger. I've missed this. Not sure what this is. Kind of gross. Looking around the adapter, it's a little dirty. Not sure where all this dirt came from, but manufactured in China, and it also has a serial number, so that's also nice to know. And I believe what we get in here, look at this unboxing experience. Little envelope, my God, OnePlus. Comes with a case. Love to see it. Put that there. See what else we get in the box. Look at this, man. OnePlus cable, you know, they know me. They have it printed where it's from. Shout out to China once again. We got some paperwork, benefits, membership card. What is, let me hide this for a second. Look at this. Red Cable Club. You kidding me? OnePlus, you're doing too much. You got a quick start guide, safety, stickers. Oh, baby. SIM card tool is also included in the box here. I'm actually going to take that out because I want to put my SIM card in here as soon as possible. Presentation, OnePlus, 10 out of 10. Seriously. I'll give you a 9. Let me not pat you guys too hard. All right, so we have the case right here. Let's just go ahead and peel off this. So we do have, I believe this is fake leather. Look at that. Go ahead, power this on. It's very light. That's like the first thing I noticed. Compared to the Z Fold, the Z Fold is a hefty device, without a doubt. You have dual SIM. Look at this. Look at this, SIM 1 and then SIM 2. Dual SIM. That's what we need in phones. Why are they going away? Anyway, let me go ahead and toss my SIM card in there. All right, our SIM card is in there, but before I get started with the setup process, let's just go ahead and give it a nice smell. Let me smell the leather. Definitely smells synthetic. It doesn't, it's not real leather. It smells like carpet. Anyway. Rest of the device doesn't really smell like anything, so it's not bad. But yeah, let's go ahead and look around the device here. So on the bottom, we have our USB-C port with our SIM card tray, some speakers. Moving on the right-hand side, or when it's closed on the right-hand side, we have our lock button and our volume rocker. We have the switch as well that toggles between, you know, mute, vibrate, and the ringer being on. And then at the top, we have more speakers and what looks to be some microphones as well. On the back, we have our cameras, 1, 2, 3, and then our flash is actually on the top left, which is interesting. Have the OnePlus logo there at the bottom. Overall, pretty cool, pretty cool. Feels nice to hold, like compared to the Fold 5. This is thin, and trust me, this is not a comparison video. It's just first draft, like my papers in high school that turned into a final paper. These are just two almost different devices. Like this just looks more comfortable. This This just feels more comfortable to hold in my hand and also just seems more usable. I think since I'm in the setup process, it actually won't turn on. So let me go ahead and open it up. The way it just snaps open, I love that. And it's soft closing. Beautiful. So yeah, this is Inglés. So here's the one thing about foldable screens. You have to not remove the screen protector that's actually on the display, and don't press on screen crease. Started with the setup process. Let's just go ahead and give it a nice smell. Let me smell. Anyway, continuing on, yeah, let's just do the stuff that is required. And I don't need to connect to Wi-Fi since I already have 5G that you can see up here. So I'm gonna transfer from my Pixel 8 Pro. This doesn't look like it's running on Android 14 because I believe the Android 14 interface is much more updated than this, but regardless, just go ahead, get these both plugged in. This may take a few minutes. They might as well say this is gonna take like 15 minutes, just straight up, like, oh my God. By the way, there's no crease. There's no crease. Wait, actually there's no crease. I can feel it. I can feel it. But you can't. Wait, hold on. I mean, I've had this for a while, so you can definitely tell there's a crease, and you can definitely feel it as well. And in certain angles, you can see the crease. This, on the other hand, wait, it's literally nothing. What? Wait, I need the flashlight. Wait, there's no crease. What the heck? Why would anyone buy the Fold? Why would anyone buy the Fold? Just get the OnePlus Open. What? Wait, this is so clean. So this is Oxygen OS. Gonna go ahead and get started. Look at that, man. OnePlus, you don't gotta do all that. Seriously, you don't gotta do all that. That's flexing for no reason. Look at that. Dude, the way it opens up, it almost like watch. I'm gonna stop like right here. The way it snaps open is just so satisfying. This is let me calm myself. Samsung, you've been the king on the channel for a while, but you may have been dethroned. I can't get over this animation. So we do have an always on display. We are gonna have that off. Shows the music playing. Okay, I like that. Spotify always on display. Why does this have to be an app? I mean, I get it's Spotify. I'm going to install Spotify anyway, but why is it an app for always on display? Anyway, while Spotify is installing, let's just go back and let's just look at the custom patterns. I think I always do something like this. Wait, I can do, oh, what the? Apply. I'm sold. I'm sold. Let me see it. Whoa. Yo, that's crazy. Look at that. Yo. Yo. I'm so impressed by small things. Thinga. Yeah, let's just do that. Hey, I said Thinga. All right, get the keyboard out the way. Let's just make it, it's fall season. Go ahead and apply that. Yo, this is actually hilarious. I love this. Hey, I can't see my full thing. All right, let's change the wallpaper. Let's change the wallpaper. I want to see what the wallpaper has. Show me the live one. Wait, there's only two. That's it? All right, what? I mean, don't get me wrong. This is beautiful. I seem like the richest person in the room if this wasn't like an actual mineral in front of me that I could sell. But that's it? Do you know how beautiful this would look if it would just like open up live? OnePlus, you're dropping it. Come on now. Come on now. You can do better than this. You can do better than this. What kind of AI generated wallpapers are these? Fingerprint sensor. Just like that. All right, so my apps are getting installed, but let me go ahead and go to YouTube and test out the speaker as well as the display. Here we go, 4K HDR. Don't lie to me. It's not fair, OnePlus. It's actually not fair. And I say it's not fair because, okay, first and foremost, the display looks incredible. It's very bright. Colors are very rich. I don't know what the settings are in terms of the color profile, but it's very nice. Sounds are nice. The stereo speakers that it has, it almost looks like there's quad speakers, right? There's one here, and then there's one here, excuse me, and then one here. Like, it sounds so good. Like, the amount of credit I have been giving the Fold 5, like, what? It's bigger on the outside and inside. Okay, so why isn't this fair? Okay, so from what this phone looks like, right? You know about the Oppo Find, I'm not sure what it's called, but League of Legends tournament, they're spamming the mess in terms of advertising. OnePlus' parent company is Oppo, so I feel as though this is basically just an Oppo phone with some OnePlus skin on top of it. Regardless, the display, chef's kiss, speakers, chef's kiss, charging speeds, don't even get me started. Let's charge this bad boy up. There needs to be USB-C on this device, there's no excuse, so I'm just gonna use the pre-existing OnePlus adapter that I have that's also warp charging. These things, underrated. Typical OnePlus fashion, you have fast charging. When I say fast charging, I mean super fast charging. So let me go ahead and show you. Get this little lightning bolt and it tells you the percentages down to the 100th of how fast it's charging. And watch, it's gonna speed up. Look how fast that is. How crazy is that? And let me just show you the animation again. My God, OnePlus, you're spoiling me. And then I just click this, I'm in the phone. All right, anyway, charging out the way, charges super fast. Let's go ahead and test out the cameras because y'all been talking about Hasselblad for years. And it says use rear camera to take high res. So let me go ahead and do that. Cover screen is on. I hate this, by the way. Hasselblad, Kim, listen, I know they're giving you tons of money, but I don't care. So one thing I want to show you guys with the camera, there are 5 settings. You have ultra wide, 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, and 6 times. How crazy is that? Proof that I'm using the iPhone 13 as my camera. Anyway, let's go ahead and look at what the photos have done. Is it on the outside? Okay, how do you go back to the inside? Looking at this, it's a little soft. It's a little soft. Decent amount of detail, right? This is the portrait one. It's okay. I'd give this like I'd give it a solid 7 out of 10. Like, I'm not wowed. It's just very, very soft. Like, this is portrait too, so it should know that I'm the subject and then everything else should be blurred. And then this is just a regular one. This is just soft in general. Maybe it will look different on a smaller screen. No, it actually looks exactly the same. All right, let's go ahead and test out the video capabilities. So let's go to video. Let's also be fair and make sure that it is 4K. And let's also use the back camera as well. And let me just go ahead and hold it like so. What the heck just happened? So this is the video quality on the OnePlus Open, and I do have the HDR setting enabled. It said Dolby Vision, but listen guys, we don't got that kind of budget here on the channel, so I might redo this in regular SDR, so I give this phone a fair shake, but you guys let me know how it looks and sounds. I would say in terms of sounding, before I even listen to it, usually when you have really good speakers, you also have really good microphones. I would just say, since I can see myself using the back cameras, it looks a little washed out. I mean, the sun's not out, it's really just cloudy, so I don't even know why it's just like a white cast over me, but yeah, I'll let you guys be the judge of this, but let's test out regular SDR. All right, just to give this phone a fair shake, this is the regular SDR with no HDR, Dolby Vision, HDR10+++, whatever. Anyway, so you guys let me know how it looks and sounds, if it looks any different or better. Want to say it's not as washed out. Want to say it looks a little bit more true to life, but you guys be the judge of that. Yeah, I'm still recording, by the way. Yeah, still recording, by the way. So one thing I did notice is when you go to swipe up to unlock, you can actually move it left or I said right when I meant left, but I meant whatever. You get my point, right? So the last thing I want to test on this device is the multitasking capability. So let's just say hypothetically that, I'm on the Play Store, right? And then I'm like, I don't want to spend too much time on this app. So let me go ahead and just open up the clock, drop it there, boom. And then let's just say, I just want to be on here for like 5 minutes, right? Or probably should have made a timer, right? 5 minutes, 50 minutes, whatever. Same thing, right? Not really, but you get the gist. Look at that. And then I can just move it, move it, move it. Now, I do know this has 3-way multitasking. So let's just say I'm playing a chess game, right? And that is crazy. That is crazy. Like, wow. Wow. I love this device. Fold 5, I will do like a proper comparison video, but this is just dethroned the Pixel 5, or the Fold 5. There is no way. Obviously, longevity is going to play a role, but the other thing I want to test is like, there is literally no crease. Like, I'm being serious. There is no crease in the middle. That is incredible. Wow. And then the best part of this is that this is just comfortable. Like, this is just a phone, man. Oh my God. Get this case off. I don't want this on here. I want this phone to be expressed in its natural beauty. Get off. Wait, it's a wrap. Fold, I will give you credit. Your colors are amazing, Samsung, but you've been dethroned. First impression wise, but let me use this device for a little bit and I can give you guys like a proper review. But first impressions, it's not even close. It's not even close. Like, it's not even close. What? This phone is crazy. Forgot to mention that people that hate bloatware, it does come with some bloatware by OnePlus, but I don't know why bloatware is such a big problem nowadays for people. Like, it's just these apps here and you can uninstall them, right? Like, just go in here, remove. Well, okay, that's from the home screen, obviously. But like, if I were to go to, like OnePlus something, right? OnePlus store, uninstall. It's really not that big of a deal when it comes to bloatware nowadays. People are like, I can't touch a phone that has bloatware. Oh, it ruins the device, pixel only. Bro, just hold down the button, uninstall. It's literally the same thing. Literally the same thing. Anyway, guys, I'm signing off. I will have lots of reviews coming out later this week, but I've never been in love with a device like this before. I've never been in love with a device like this before. Genuinely. Genuinely. Anyway, guys, I appreciate every single sub, like, and comment. And as always, guys, much love. I mean, I don't know why I have a wallpaper of myself. I thought it was gonna be like the dynamic one, but yeah, I forgot I changed the wallpaper in the video. So this is the Pixel, this is the Fold. No, it's what is this thing called? The Fold 5. Still waiting. Come on. Let me in the phone. Why are all these technical difficulties happening? So with typical OnePlus fashion, you never have to settle for slow charging. I know some people are gonna be like, use the cable that came in the box. Trust me, I'm good. I got enough USB-C cables, but all right, yo, what's up with my hair? I gotta get a haircut.